Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another DIY. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this basket bag. It has elastics on the sides and it has rope handles. It's very easy and simple, so let's get into the video. So to start off, you need blocks of fabric, 2 square pieces of fabric, 18 inches by 14 inches. You need 2 of these. Then you fold the fabrics in half. Then you go onto the corner with open ends. Then you just draw a curved line and then cut that away with your scissors. Then you now go to the top part. Then you mark 5 inches going down and 2 inches on the top part. Then you draw another curved line and then you cut that out with your scissors. Then you now take out a measuring tape and measure from that point to that point, and you add maybe about an inch or 2. So I made that 32 inches and then I cut a strip of fabric which was 32 inches by 4 inches. So those are the 3 fabrics that I have for the African print fabric. And then I also cut the same pieces of fabric for my lining fabric. I use this royal blue polycotton. Then I now attach the bottom part of the bag. This is the strip which makes the bottom and the sides of the bag. So I just pinned it down with pins like that, and then I went on to stitch it on the sewing machine.
You don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
I also attached the other side.
Every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better. better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your ex? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
So at that point, the structure of the bag is already starting to come to light. Then I also sewed the lining the same way that I'd sewn the African print fabric. So I attached the lining and the outer fabric on the sides. So at that point I'd already stitched, and then I went on to turn everything inside out. After turning the fabrics inside out, I went on to stitch sort of like a casing on those sides where I was going to insert my elastic. Then I went on to stitch about 1 inch from the edge. After stitching, I now inserted the elastic. I also inserted it on the other side. My elastic was about 10 inches long. And then I folded the top like that. I folded it about 1 inch. Then I went on to stitch that, and I used this there's this blank it's like a blanket stitch on my sewing machine. You can also use a zigzag stitch. So there I'd sewn it on both sides. Then I now went on to insert my ropes, and my ropes were also 32 inches long. So I used this big needle with a little bit of thread, then I used it to insert the rope into the casing. I also attached the rope onto the other side. And then I sewed the rope together to join the rope. So I now shift the rope and I put the part that I sewed to join it under the fabric so that it's not visible. So that is the bag done. It's so easy and it's so simple, and I really like the way that it turned out. I hope you guys like this DIY. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.